we work mostly with small ownership groups down to solos.
Okay.
So we help build succession programs for larger partnerships, other firms, that are looking at how to bring in the next level of associates or non-equity partners. But in the marketplace, when we're dealing with that, it's usually the small partnerships or the solo owners. The very small firm typically has built most of their firm around themselves as the attorney. They are the brand. They've gone and networked. They've gone and built out this community of referral sources, otherwise, that know them. Once you get to a little bit larger scale firm, maybe additional partners or even just larger based on revenue, they focus typically a little bit more on the firm brand and the firm marketing and other things that kind of drive the firm brand versus the personal brand. And that's really what we try to pull together for any deal. We need the personal brand. We need that personal goodwill, those referral sources, everybody that selling attorney knows. And we also need the firm brand, the website, the client database, any marketing programs, events that the firm does, and to pair those together. If you're a very small firm, solo practitioner, maybe you have one or two paralegals, no associate, you really typically have a longer transition period as part of your sale, right? Because it takes just a little bit longer to introduce a buyer to those referral sources, to get them a little bit more comfortable with, making sure that the revenue continues. If you have a little bit larger firm that's focused more on firm brand, firm marketing, firm value, I'll call it, if you have a website that drives all of your leads through pay-per-click or through other, different campaigns, and you really sit back as the owner and, have a $5 million firm, but, 4 million of that comes from digital marketing or otherwise, that's a lot easier to transition and transfer over to another buyer. So your transition plan is probably a little bit shorter.